Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best construction rain gear. Whether you're braving storms on the job site or preparing for unexpected downpours, having the right gear is essential. In this video, we'll review the top picks for construction rain gear, ensuring you stay dry, comfortable, and productive no matter the weather. Stick around to discover the ultimate protective solutions for your outdoor work needs. Number 1. FROGG TOGGS Men's Ultra Light 2 Waterproof Breathable Rain Suit. Engineered for durability and performance, this rain suit is designed to keep you dry and comfortable in even the harshest conditions. Crafted from high-quality, waterproof materials, this rain suit features advanced breathability technology, allowing sweat and moisture to escape while preventing water from penetrating. Its lightweight design ensures ease of movement, making it ideal for outdoor work or recreational activities. The FROGG TOGGS Men's Ultra Light 2 Rain Suit boasts a range of features designed for maximum effectiveness. The jacket features a full-length zipper with a storm flap to seal out water, while the adjustable hood provides added protection during heavy rainfall. Additionally, the pants feature an elastic waistband and adjustable lay openings for a customizable fit. Whether you're working on a construction site, hiking through rugged terrain, or simply running errands on a rainy day, this rain suit offers unmatched durability and performance. Number 2. John Deere Unisex High Visibility ANSI Class IE Rain Suit, the ultimate solution for staying safe and dry in adverse weather conditions. Engineered with durability and visibility in mind, this rain suit is designed to meet ANSI Class IE standards, ensuring maximum visibility on the job site. Constructed from high-quality materials, this rain suit offers superior protection against rain, wind, and harsh elements. Its fluorescent yellow-green color and reflective tape enhance visibility, making it ideal for workers in low-light environments or high-traffic areas. The John Deere rain suit features a range of practical features for added comfort and effectiveness. The jacket includes a full-length zipper with a storm flap to seal out water, while the adjustable hood provides additional protection during heavy rainfall. The pants feature adjustable leg openings and reinforced seams for enhanced durability and a secure fit. Whether you're working in construction, landscaping, or any other outdoor industry, this rain suit is designed to keep you safe, dry, and visible. Number 3. RainRider Rain Suits Safety Rain Jacket with Pants, your ultimate companion for staying dry and visible in challenging conditions. Designed with both safety and comfort in mind, this rain suit boasts a high-visibility yellow color with reflective tape, ensuring you're seen even in low-light environments. Crafted from premium waterproof materials, this rain suit offers exceptional durability and protection against rain, wind, and harsh elements. The jacket features a full-length zipper with a storm flap to keep water out, while the adjustable hood provides additional coverage during heavy downpours. The pants come with adjustable leg openings for a secure fit and added convenience. Whether you're working on a construction site, biking through urban streets, or hiking in the wilderness, this rain suit is built to keep you dry and visible in any situation. Its lightweight design and breathable fabric ensure all-day comfort, while the reinforced seams enhance durability for long-lasting performance. Number 4. Guide Gear Silvercliff E-Waterproof Boots for Men, the ultimate blend of style, durability, and performance for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed to tackle any terrain and weather condition, these boots are your go-to choice for rugged adventures. Crafted with premium materials, these boots feature a waterproof construction to keep your feet dry and comfortable in wet conditions. The Silvercliff IE boots boast a stylish design with a rugged outsole for superior traction on various surfaces, ensuring stability and confidence with every step. With a focus on both comfort and effectiveness, these boots feature a cushioned insole for all-day support, while the padded collar and tongue provide added comfort and protection. The lace-up closure allows for a customizable fit, while the reinforced stitching ensures durability for long-lasting wear. Whether you're hiking through rocky trails, trekking through muddy terrain, or simply navigating city streets on a rainy day, the Guide Gear Silvercliff IE Waterproof Boots are your reliable companion. Number 5. Mossi Adult XT Series Rain Poncho, your trusted companion for staying dry in style. Crafted with durability and performance in mind, this rain poncho offers reliable protection against rain and wind while ensuring maximum comfort and convenience. Featuring a sleek and modern design, the Mossi XT Series Rain Poncho is made from high-quality waterproof materials to keep you dry in even the heaviest downpours. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry and pack, perfect for outdoor adventures, commuting, or emergencies. Designed for effectiveness, this poncho features a spacious hood with adjustable drawstrings to shield your head and face from the elements. The oversized design provides ample coverage to keep you and your belongings dry, while the snap closures along the sides offer added protection and versatility. Whether you're hiking, biking, camping, or attending outdoor events, the Mossi Adult XT Series Rain Poncho is the ultimate choice for staying dry and comfortable. Number 6. Condor Elite US 1026-008 Rain Cover 40 Liters Multicam, the ultimate accessory for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable protection for their gear. Designed with precision and durability in mind, this rain cover offers unparalleled performance in challenging weather conditions. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Condor Elite rain cover is designed to withstand the elements, keeping your gear dry and secure during rain or snow. Its Multicam pattern not only adds a stylish touch, but also provides camouflage in various outdoor environments, blending seamlessly with your gear. Featuring a spacious 40-liter capacity, this rain cover is suitable for backpacks of various sizes, offering a universal fit for most outdoor packs. Its elastic edges and adjustable straps ensure a snug and secure fit, preventing water from seeping in and damaging your gear. Whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling, the Condor Elite rain cover provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your adventure without worrying about the weather. Number 7. Arctix Men's Essential Insulated Bib Overalls. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and workers alike, these bib overalls offer unbeatable warmth, durability, and functionality. Crafted from high-quality materials, these overalls feature a rugged design built to withstand the toughest conditions. The outer shell is water-resistant, keeping you dry and comfortable in snowy or wet conditions, while the lightweight insulation provides superior warmth without adding bulk. The Arctix insulated bib overalls are equipped with a range of features for maximum effectiveness and convenience. Adjustable shoulder straps ensure a customized fit, while boot zippers allow for easy on and off over boots. Multiple pockets provide ample storage space for your essentials, keeping them secure and easily accessible. Whether you're skiing, snowboarding, working outdoors, or simply enjoying winter activities, these bib overalls are your go-to choice for staying warm and protected. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the best construction rain gear options available. Don't let wet weather slow you down. Equip yourself with the gear that keeps you dry and focused on the job. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and recommendations. Until next time, stay safe, stay dry, and keep building.